Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful rocket Apartmento. The board fried on this one. You can see it looks pretty bad. So we're placing the board, placing the pressure stat. Rocket now recommends a new pressure stat, new board, new RF filter, new wiring. So that's what we did. So let's go ahead and pull a shot. So you get a nice shot of espresso. Test the steam. Nice strong steam. And sitting at 1 bar. Nice hot water working well. So thank you for pairing this Kanen coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell. Thank you.